Thank you for joining me. We have a tornado that just impacted south of Shiloh, Alabama, and is now heading towards the Trenton area. So this is where your tornado is right here. It's not a very strong tornado, but it is on the ground still. So it's damaging radar confirmed tornado. So we have a TORR, which means tornado reported. If you check the correlation coefficient right here, this is the debris signature right here. It passed south of Shiloh. It looks like the tornado dissipated the moment, so that's good news. But they could still spin up. You could get spin ups here. Anywhere along the line, you could get spin ups because this area is having a lot of spin. There's a lot of spin in the atmosphere in this area. So let's. So here's what we're going to do right now. We're going to look ahead right now. God, looks like it's not working. Okay, there we go. Just want to total precip accumulation. Let's go to our 384. A lot of rain here. Looks like the West Coast is drying out, which is not good news for the Four Corners region because Lake Mead is still at record lows. Yeah, I don't see any snow for Oswego, unfortunately. Yeah. Yeah, it's little to no snow from my area. There's going to be more here from that lake effect. That's going to be lake effect snow here. Looks like Florida might get some supercells tomorrow, so. But bulk of the worst it looks like is over right now. But it was bad. We had numerous violent tornadoes that went through several towns that got really badly hit. Rolling Springs. And we also got, oh my God, I'm just like, so many towns got just devastated today. It's, you know, areas around Walnut Grove got really badly hit. I mean, sorry, that's where the storm started. But the worst impacted area was, unfortunately, just devastated. Rolling Springs. Yeah. Sorry, Rolling Fork. I'm just so exhausted right now. Yeah, I said Rolling Springs because they're. Yeah, we got people trapped right now. It's bad. It's really, really bad right now in Rolling Fork. Amory also got really badly hit. So, towns of Amory, Rolling Fork got devastated. And it was by the same cell. Also, Silver City got really badly hit as well. Oh, great. They rated Rolling Fork in EF3. Well, actually, some people are saying it's EF3. Yeah, the Rolling Fork tornado, even though it was not one consistent tornado, that supercell has lasted over 200 miles. I'm looking at right now. I mean, it recycled itself. It's all about storm mode today. Yeah, storm modes were embedded supercells. The town of Rolling Fork, Mississippi just took a direct hit from what the National Weather Service Storm Prediction Center calls an EF3 plus 1 to 2 mile wide tornado. That translates into a huge EF4 violent tornado just went through a populated area. Yeah, I don't think it was EF3. I think it was 4 plus. I definitely think we had a maybe even a EF5 possibly. Winona took another hit. Rolling Fork, Silver City, and Winona all took hits today. Wow. We already have reports of numerous people who have perished from this tornado. The tornado hit Rolling Fork, according to radar, around 8:06 p.m. First polygon to include Rolling Fork was issued at 7:53 p.m. Previous warning upstream to the southwest was issued well before. This is why situational awareness is so important if there's a severe threat. That's what Dan Scoff said on Twitter just now. You know, we're going to get better damage pictures as morning comes in, but by the looks of this, definitely at least an EF4. Maybe, may even get worse because debris from Rolling Fork was lofted over 30,000 feet up. There was debris fallout from Rolling Fork and surrounding areas falling out over 100 miles ahead. So this is definitely a very violent tornado. Columbus. All right, so Rolling Fork. It also impacted the southern portions of Anguilla. Um, then went north of Chula, and then the new tornado, the new circulation went through Winona. Winona then took a hit from the secondary circulation, and then went over to Lodi. And then it hit Amory and Smithville head on. Hit the north side of Amory, basically. Yeah. So Rolling Fork took a direct hit. There was debris fallout well ahead of the tornado. Even Calhoun City was having debris fallout from the tornado in Rolling Fork and Anguilla. So, and the debris was over 20,000 feet up. This is about the area where the tornado struck. It's right here. And that same supercell even crossed into Alabama. And it was not like it was a single, it was a separate, it was an embedded supercell in a squall line. It was a confluence band that had a very strong embedded supercell. I'm gonna show you my previous live streams here, so I can give you a good picture of what happened. This is when it happened.
Confirm. No, Johnny, tornado emergency has been issued.
Yeah, this is when it just happened, 9:10. This is
Yes,
8:10 p.m.
yes, right now. I'm going live. I'm live. Bye. Confirmed, yeah.
Yeah, this is just as it was heading Rolling Fork. Yeah. 1,883. Population is literally also the same year as the Krakatoa eruption. I mean, if you look closely, there's even some range folding going on. I mean, this is a very, very intense tornado. And that right here, that's debris. That's a debris signature.
Precipitation. You know, to the if you're just using reflectivity, you could not tell that this is a violent tornado on the ground. But once you're looking at velocities, this is evident. This is a very violent tornado. This is violent. This is your debris signature. I mean, this has to be EF3 plus. Very easily EF3 plus tornado.
Yeah. 9,000 feet at that time. You know, this is when the tornado just hit Rolling Fork. Yeah, the quality is not very good.
So here's your debris. Yeah, that's debris right there, I think. It has to be debris.
Yeah, this is...
Yeah, National Weather Service just issued the most serious warning it can ever issue. There is nothing higher than a tornado emergency. This is as high as it can get. This is serious, folks. This is a catastrophic situation that just occurred. We just got photos coming in. It's a monster, guys. We have a wedge tornado. Photos just came in from Rolling Fork. I'm looking at it right now. It is a monster. This is a monster tornado. It's a wedge. It's a maxi wedge. There are photos coming in, and guys, it is awful. There are photos coming in right now of this thing, and it's an absolute monster. I'm going on Giazzo.com, where this photo came in from, and yeah, this thing is at least a half-mile wide on the ground. Lord, this thing is just a monster.
Yeah, people upstairs are making noise. I literally had to go upstairs and to talk to them. They still.
Yeah, it's a monster tornado.
This is when first came in.
This is a monster tornado. There's your tornado.
Zachary.
All right.
Reed Timmer actually went and rescued someone during the tornado.
Silver City and Belzani.
Yeah, Silver City also took a hit. So. Bree was lofted very high up.
Oh! It's 100 yards. 100 yards? No, right there. Did you catch video of it? You got a videotape. You got to hit the record button. It is. Okay. Thank God. Can you see it? Oh, there it is.
Yep.
It's 100 yards.
That's when Reed Timmer was streaming. Yeah.
It's Silver City and Belzani. This is tracking directly towards Silver City. This is going to hit Silver City directly head on. Doesn't look like a big town, you know.
Yeah.
No, this is bad. Or ended up being right. In the models, this is where your highest rotation is. Now the issue is that once the storm goes northeast, there's not a lot of radar sites up there.
Yeah, right there. That was debris. So how everything got blue here?
Oh no, this is bad. Now the issue is that once the storm goes northeast, there's not a lot of radar sites up there.
See how everything just went blue? Right here? Boom, that's debris. That was lofted up, very high up.
Oh no, this is bad.
Yeah, this is when I started realizing how bad this is.
Boom, debris signature right there.
Yep, that's debris being lofted over 20,000 feet up. You see how deep that tornado signature, how deep that signature is right after passing by Anguilla here? That is 30,000 feet plus. That means there's a lot of debris over 20,000 feet up. I mean, look at the beam height here. That is debris. And it, then started falling out.
Over 20,000 feet.
Well over 20,000.
Debris over 20,000 feet, guys.
Yeah. It's like 30,000.
Yep.
Let's
go try correlation coefficient, because this is where your debris is. Bam. Let's try till 3.
And then I switched radar sites later on. This is when it hits. This is when it hit Silver City. Damage in Silver City, while bad, was not as bad as Rolling Fork and Anguilla.
Right.
All right.
Rotation is starting to weaken. Could also be recycling. I mean, it's in the middle of a very, very strong cluster of supercells still, so. And this is a rain-wrapped tornado. This tornado is in the middle of some very, very heavy precip. So this is a true rain-wrapped monster. I mean, this is where the tornado would be.
Range folding.
And it's completely shrouded in very heavy precip. This is a true rain-wrapped monster. So Tacula, I think it may strengthen or
Chula.
weaken.
The correct pronunciation of the town is Chula.
Necessary.
Or Tichula. I think it's Chula or Tichula. I'm kind of thinking the T is silent.
Very concerned about this. What appears to be a donut hole here. Some very intense rotation. Okay, this is not good. Not good.
All right.
Let's try correlation coefficient here. Please not be a CC drop. Please don't be a CC drop. God. All right, I'm to Rolling Fork, Mississippi. Very violent tornado. And
this tornado is still on the ground.
The atmosphere is still very conducive for tornadoes, as you can see right here. There we go. Another couplet's forming now.
It's actually the same couplet, but it later recycled and another one formed to the north.
Yeah, it looks like it just recycled.
It hasn't actually recycled yet. I was confused at the time.
Hold on. The radar. Plus means away. So plus means positive values, away from the radar. It looks like this storm looks. So this is debris fallout right here.
Yeah, this is when I realized.
Over 15,000 feet high. That's debris fallout. This isn't hail, this is debris fallout.
And this town was hit as well.
From the tornado.
So debris fell in Winona and then the tornado hit.
Over 20,000 feet high. This is all the debris from Rolling Fork. Some from and some of that is from Silver City, but most of it is from Rolling Fork.
And Anguilla, yeah, I'm in this area here.
Yep, that's debris. That's not hail, that's debris, guys. That is debris. So high up in the atmosphere. Sorry.
I'm so
there
stressed.
we go. That's debris right here. 20,000. 26,000 feet debris fallout. Again, that's also debris fallout. 36,000 feet. $27,000. Let's go to tilt 1. That's debris fallout over Calhoun City. What you're seeing here, oh my god, another debris signature. Alright guys, we now have a situation unfolding. Guys, let's go to correlation coefficient right now, velocity.
Yeah.
We have another tornado on the ground, potentially violent tornado. Another one, and this is heading right towards Winona. If you're in Winona, seek shelter immediately. This is a very violent tornado, and I mean violent. This is a violent tornado heading right towards Winona. This is a large town. It's going to be hit bad. You know what? I'm going to call them right now. Pizza Inn. What's the phone number? How can I there we go. Okay.
Let me check Winona. Alrighty, let's go to Twitter. I'm gonna check on Winona right now. Hope.
Alright, I'm gonna call them right now. Not very violent tornado. Here, let me mute the stream.
That is like April 27th on steroids. Yeah. Yep, that's a cold front right there. Yeah, yeah, I actually live streamed about this storm. This is actually
Johnny,
the same
I just called the pizzeria that was. I've told them to get in the shelter
Okay.
because they were open.
You think you might be able to help me? I'm live streaming right now.
Yeah, I can help you. No problem.
I'm losing my voice, dude. I do it. Like yep, this is exactly.
And that same supercell that went to Winona, then hit Amory, it recycled, it weakened, and then it recycled again and hit Amory violently, bad. Like the north side of Amory is basically wiped out. Very badly hit. They said it's basically gone. So there's probably a swath of EF3 plus damage on North Amory.
I said that there's a chance that this storm's going to restrict itself, and guess what?
It did.
It did. It recycled.
And it's heading right towards Winona, Johnny. It's heading right towards town.
And get this, I even said on my live stream that I said, Winona, you guys need to take shelter because this thing is heading your way. And guess what? It's heading right for them. Okay,
Well, I mean, it might not hit the pizzeria, but I hope.
Andy,
What?
How did you call a pizza place and told them to get to shelter? I'm pretty sure they got warnings on the phone.
Google Maps, Johnny.
Google Maps, and what did they say after that?
Well, they hung up. They thanked me, and the person started telling everyone that there was a tornado. heading their way. So, Johnny,
Yeah, that's the debris fallout from Rolling Fork and Anguilla. Yeah. Yeah, that's the debris fallout.
right now I'm focusing on something. I need to be talking to my. I can help you, but.
Okay. So can you give him a? Okay. Now,
Yeah, you see that what looks like precipitation here? That's actually debris that's being seen on radar. That's literally debris. That's not precip. If it wasn't for that tornado, this is not precip. This is debris here. That's being detected on radar.
now,
That's
while I
debris.
get something to drink,
That's not precipitation. That's debris. That is debris. Johnny, there's so much. Johnny, there's so much debris falling out that the radar thinks it's precipitation.
They think. Wait.
The radar is mistaking the debris for precipitation. Yeah.
Are you serious? Okay. Now.
Yeah, Johnny, I am serious. Dead serious.
I got a very concerning comment that somebody said that they live in Winona, Mississippi, and they are scared half to death. What can you tell this person to do?
Well, tell them to go in their basement.
Okay, now I want you to talk to obviously talk to your audience and talk to my audience too.
Well, yeah, Johnny, but that's gonna be really hard, and I'm probably gonna lose viewers because of this. But all right, I'll do it.
All right, 3, 2, 1. You are live.
Okay, thank you for joining me. I'm currently live streaming. Johnny, are you showing them my stream so they can see what's going on from my end? Just falling out over Calhoun City. I'm gonna tweet this right now.
Yeah, tweeted.
No, actually, no. This is not heading towards Slate Springs, Johnny. This is heading towards what we need to watch now.
It's actually weakening?
Yeah.
Wait, which one? Which one? The one ahead of it or the one
ahead?
behind it?
The ahead. The one ahead.
Oh, the
See how it was weakening at the time?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where?
And then
Where?
it reformed. This is when it weakened. See.
Phone.
Yeah, and this is basically what happened. And then the Amory tornado hit.
So I have.
All right. We have a situation unfolding right now for Amory, Mississippi. A very violent tornado on the ground. This is a very violent tornado.
Range folding right
This
here.
is
Right here. You see that right here? This is range folding, guys. The tornado was so intense before it came into Amory that the debris that the radar could not detect the winds because it was range folding. What range folding is when the winds are so intense that the radar is having trouble bouncing back the signals. Doppler radars have a limited range of radial velocities that they can observe. Velocities beyond the range will be folded back into that range. That's why, because the winds were so intense that the radar could not detect it. That is basically what happened. Right here. This is range folding right here. This is range folding, guys. This is what range folding looks like. I can't. How the heck am I going to go to sleep with those people partying upstairs? I'm going to get my RA and I'm going to ask him to stop because this is getting really annoying.
Oh my God. I can't even describe the situation for Amory, Mississippi. Please, please, for the love of God, seek shelter now. Oh my God. Seek shelter now. I warned a pizzeria in the path of this tornado. Hopefully they're fine. It was in the pizzeria that I warned was in
Winona.
It was in Winona. Hope they're safe now.
It's the same
This is heading towards a large populated area. This is a tornado emergency for the city of Amory, Mississippi. A very violent tornado is on the ground right now. Tornado emergency for Amory, Mississippi. We have a tornado emergency for New Wren and Amory, Mississippi. Radar confirmed tornado, but this is a monster. This is not your average small tornado. This is a monster on the ground right now.
And then
all right, so the stream has started. All right, I started about a minute ago, just making sure everyone's viewing it right now. All right, just gonna title it tornado emergency.
no, I should have left it as Amory tornado emergency.
Right. We have a tornado emergency for Amory, Mississippi. Here we go. Let's go to Google Maps. Damn it. Let's. Oh my God. 7,316 people. This might actually be worse. This looks like it's going to be worse. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is definitely going to be worse than oh my God, I even forgot the name of the town. I just got hit.
Rolling Fork.
This is going to be much worse than Rolling Fork. And Rolling Fork already looks worse than Mayfield. Guys, this is a monster tornado that is now hitting Amory. Amory is now being hit by a very violent tornado. This is a violent tornado that is currently just slabbing the downtown and northern parts of Amory, Mississippi. So it looks like this area is being slabbed. Oh my God. All these houses, guys. Oh my God. Oh man, there's gonna be nothing here. Tomorrow morning, when crews come here, they're just gonna find a bunch of slabs and debris everywhere. Guys, this is a emergency for Amory, Mississippi right now. This is bad, guys. I mean, let's go to other radar sites so we can see how bad it is. It's bad, guys. It is bad. Amory, Mississippi just took a direct hit from a very, very violent tornado. Oh man, this is bad.
Yeah, this is what happened earlier. And yeah, this is range folding right here. Yeah, there's some range folding going on as it hit the town.
This tornado is at least 1 mile wide. This is a monster tornado. And this is a QLCS tornado, by the way. This is on a kink of a line. So normally these tornadoes are not the most violent, but fortunately you have an embedded supercell.
Yeah, same
The
supercell
reason
that
it's so violent is because you have an embedded super. So basically,
the same supercell that hit Rolling Fork, Winona. Yeah, it's the same
this is an
supercell.
embedded supercell in a QLCS.
Yeah, and it hits southern parts of Smithville as well. In fact, I'm gonna go on Twitter and I'm gonna type in the name range folding. Yeah. Yeah, Hurricane Matt C5 is right. It's 3 in the morning. Yeah. Finally, no more tornado warnings. Finally. Yeah. Will they stop? I'm going to bed. And thank you for watching. Thank you all for watching. Thanks, Johnny. Hey, Johnny, it's totally fine. Thank you for all your help. I mean, thank you for helping me out too. Anyway, let's see that range folding again. Yeah, this is actually before it even reached peak intensity. But yeah, this right here is sorry. This this is range folding right here. I don't know why it's so terrible. I don't know why I can't do greater than 720p for some reason. I don't know what is wrong with this thing. Yeah, I have no idea what's wrong. My streaming software. Anyway, I'm going to bed, guys. Thank you for watching. Oh, okay, 5 viewers. All right. So, all right. So